Hello friends, I'm Karthikesh. In this video, we're going to see about how to make this coolest obstacle avoiding robot. Before going to the video, if you need this video in Tamil version, link in description. So let's go. Kind information friends, I already made a robot chassis because make it in a video it may take a long duration. If you need the making video of this robot chassis, just free to comment in comment section. Yes, I already fixed the motor to the chassis. Next we want to fix the wheel to the motor. Make sure that the wheel is free to rotate. By the same way, fix the all wheels to the motor. This is wheel number 2, wheel number 3 and wheel number 4. Next, invert the robot. So here we can able to fix our stuffs like Arduino Uno boards and motor drivers and battery etc. Make sure that the Arduino and motor driver is fixed tightly. Next, we are going to place the servo motor in front of the robot. So make a hole in the front part and take a screw and screw it to the servo motor and to the robotic chassis. Just screwed it tightly. Now take the sensor and the sensor mode and fix those stuffs to the servo motor. Okay, it finished. And take fold male to female jumper wires to connect the sensor to the Arduino board. Now connect the female jumper wires to the sensor and male jumper wires to the Arduino board. And then take male to male jumper wires and connect those wires to the servo motor wire, which is positive, negative and output pin. That orange is a output pin, red is a positive pin and brown is a negative pin. At last, take male to female jumper wires and connect the jumper wires to motor driver and to the Arduino board. Then we want to connect the motor to the motor driver. Choose the left two motors and connect to the motor driver in motor 1 pins with joining the positive and joining the two motors negative wires. Like this, connect all those motors. Let's see here. The right two motors is connected to the motor number 2 and left two motors connected to the motor 1 on the motor driver. I don't show the wire connections here because it may take a while, so I just linked the circuit diagram and the code in the description. Just download it and connect those wires in the Arduino board. Yes, this is the code of this project's obstacle avoiding robot. This code is linked in description. Just download it and upload it. Finally, the robot is ready. I have fixed the battery in backside of the obstacle avoiding robot because it's a big battery, so I placed in the backside of this robot. It's a 12-volt battery, so let's run it. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Karthikeshrobotics.